Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can increase screen time in VIVO. So in order to increase the screen timeout value, you will need to launch settings, then enter the display and brightness category, onwards find the screen timeout option, and by default it is set to 30 seconds, I think. So simply increase it and choose whatever value you would like for it to have: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. If you would like to set its value to higher time rates, I recommend that you download the Caffeine application from the Play Store, which allows you to set higher values, even the custom ones, and also provides you with an opportunity to set the screen timeout value up to never. So launch the app, then at the timeout section choose whatever value you would like to go with, and do not turn it off. Make sure that it stays active in the background. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.